This is a Beauty Big Bang product review, and you can find them at www.beautybigbang.com. Their Instagram is BeautyBigBangs, their Facebook BeautyBigBang.com, and that is their website again. So the first product I'm going to review in this video is one of their new stamping plates, and this is the packaging. So as you can tell, it's going to be like a summery theme. Those are the steps on how to achieve the perfect stamping, and here is the plate again. It's BeautyBigBang XL-001, and it has these beautiful tropical fruits and sea life, and of course some palms and floral designs. So like every new stamping plate, you remove the blue film and then you give it a good swipe with regular nail polish remover. And these are the tips I'm going to be using, and this gel polish as well. This one is Dada Kind of Day, and it's a very pretty orangey gel polish with some like reflex of shimmer. So I'm going to add this polish onto the press-on nails that I'm going to be using for today's design. I'm only adding the polish 2/3 of the nail on the thumb, index, and the ring fingernail. The pinky nail, I cover it completely with the gel polish. And the second polish I use, this is another gel polish number 3513 from Model 1's Diamond Collection, and it's a gold holographic. So I'm gonna add this glitter to the tips of the nails that I added the orange and 2/3 of it, and I do 2 to 3 coats on each of the nails so I could reach that full opacity. And of course, between each coat I cure it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And for the middle finger, I decided to go with this bluish teal shade called Aesthetically Teal Sing. I added 2 coats, and now it's time for the stamping. So for the pinky nail, I am going to be stamping the images of the seashells and starfish. I thought it went super well with this shade because it gives off like a seashell color vibe. So that is how it came out. As you can see, it didn't fit the whole nail, the image. So all I do is go back and stamp some singular shells in the tip. And for the ring fingernail, I'm going to be stamping this image of a flamingo with leaves and little tiny pineapples. Thought it was super cute, and this definitely screams out summertime. And again, I'm only going to stamp the image on the orange gel polish color, none on the glitter tip, because I want the glitter tip to be on its own sparkly and glitter. So that is how it came out. I didn't have no problem picking up the image, and it transferred on fine. And now moving on to the middle fingernail, since this is a teal bluish color, I decided to do this like under the water image, and this one is of jellyfish and some coral reefs, and that is how it came out. As you can see, the tip didn't fit because the image is small, so all I do is stamp it over again, but only on the tip part. Now moving on to my pointer finger, I am going to be adding the image of the cute seahorses with little tiny starfishes. I thought this was super cute, so I am adding it to the color part of the nail only again. And for my final nail, the thumbnail, since this is like an orangey base gel polish color, I decided to add the image of the orange slices to see how they would look, and it looks super cute. So here I am stamping it over, and of course this did not fit the nail because the nail bed was kind of wide. So what I did is stamp over it again on the sides. And here's going to be some quick swatches of the other designs that I did not use on my nails. This first one is of some seashells. This second image here is of some raspberries, and I thought they were so cute, these raspberries. They look so realistic. This third image here is of some watermelons with like some vines, and this was of the whole watermelons and then some watermelon slices, and as you can see there were some little cherries there as well. Now this other image here is of strawberries, and there is some cut up strawberries too. This image here on the corner is of watermelon slices only in different sizes. And the image here on this other corner is of like a hibiscus flower, and it was super pretty. The image next to that one is of some leaves. This next image here is like of a floral wallpaper pattern. And then the next one in the corner in the bottom is of some leaves. So if you guys are interested on this stamping plate, the links will be down below where you can purchase it. They have some beautiful images for summertime and some very pretty tropical fruit images. And here is my final look. I did add some abstract lines and some bling bling on the nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there is a percentage off code that you can use on your next purchase for BeautyBigBang. Just make sure you look in the box below, or I'll probably have it here somewhere on the screen. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.